division, what are we going to say? We divide and then multiply. So note and say divide first, then multiply. As simple as that. Divide first, then multiply. So we know how to divide fractions from grade 7. We know also how to multiply fractions from grade 7 and grade 6. And we will just be analyzing whatever we talked about in grade 7 and grade 6 just to ensure that you are rich in knowledge now. So let us consider. Work out A. I have 2 over 3 times 1 over 5 divided by 4 over 25. B. I have 2 and 2 over 5 divided by 3 and 3 over 5 times 1 and 4 over 5. That is what we are considering. These two fractions. Now, solution. A, we have 2 over 3 times 1 over 5 divided by 4 over 25. Ensure that one digit, if you mess, everything is wrong. 2 over 3 times 1 over 5 divided by 4 over 25. So first, divide. What are we dividing? 1 over 5. This is what being divided. 1 over 5 divided by 4 over 25. 1 over 5 divided by 4 over 25. Now let us remind ourselves, what did we say when we are dividing fraction? We said that when you are dividing by a fraction, is the same as multiply by the reciprocal of the fraction. For example, here, 1 over 5 divided by 4 over 25. What are we dividing? We are dividing 1 over 5. By what? By 4 over 25. So this one is the dividend and this one is the divisor. So when we are dividing by, so the divisor is the same as when you're dividing by 4 over 25, is the same as multiplying by the reciprocal of 4 over 25. That is what we learn in grade 7 and grade 6, how to multiply fractions. So we are going just to say 1 over 5 dividing by 4 over 5 is the same as multiplying by 25 over 4. So the reciprocal of 4 over 25 is 25 over 4. Are we together there? That is what you need to understand. Dividing by a fraction is the same as multiplying by the reciprocal of the fraction. So what are we getting the reciprocal? The divisor. Dividing by. By meaning that is the divisor. We are dividing by the divisor. So what is our divisor here? 4 over 25. So dividing by this divisor, which is 4 over 25, is the same as multiplying by the reciprocal of this divisor, which is now 25 over 4. So understand that. So here, what do you have now? This is the same as we multiply. So this is now multiplication of fractions. So how do we multiply fractions? We multiply numerators separately and denominators separately, then we simplify. What have I said? Multiply numerators separately, denominators separately, then simplify. So here, this is the same as 1 times 25 over 5 times 4, which is the same as 1 times 25, this is now 25, over 4 times 5 times 4, this is now 20. Then simplify. What did we say? How do we simplify? We divide both the numerator and denominator by the same number until we reach until we get a fraction that cannot be divided further. Or we divide both the numerator and denominator by the highest common factor, the GCD of the numerator and denominator. But here, I'll use the simplest method possible. So, or you can have this one in your calculator. Key in 25 over 20. You will see the calculator will simplify it for you. So this one, which number can divide this one? So this now 5 divided 20 4 times. 5 divided 25, 5. So we have 5 over 4. So 5 is a prime number. So there's no number that can divide this one apart from 1. So after dividing, multiply. Multiply. So what are we multiplying? The answer. What are we multiplying? What are we having? 2 over 3 multiplied by the answer. So it is 2 over 3 multiply the answer here. We have 5 over 4. So multiplication of fraction is very simple. Multiply numerator separately and denominators separately. So what are we going to have? 2 times 5 over 3 times 4. 2 times 5 over 3 times 4. So 2 times 5, what do you have? This is 10. 3 times 4, this now 12. 2 times 5, 10. 3 times 4, that is 12. So what do? So here we have now 10 over 12. Simplify. Which number can divide this and this? Start with the 2. 2 divide this one, 5. 2 divide this now, 6. So 2 divide 10, 5. 2 divide 12, 6. So is there a number? 5 is a prime number. There's no number. So our answer is 5 over 6. Do you understand? If you don't understand, let me know. B, we have 2 and 2 over 5 divided by 3 and 3 over 5 times 1 and 4 over 5. 2 and 2 over 5 divided by 3 and 3 over 5 times 1 and 4 over 5. What did we say? Divide first, then multiply. Let us divide. What are we dividing? 2 and 2 over 5 divided by 3 and 3 over 5. Now, in division, what we need to understand, we have to write these mixed numbers as improper fraction before we do anything. What have I said? Write mixed numbers as improper fraction. And how do we do that? Easy. How do we do that? Very easy. We take the denominator, multiply by the whole number, add the numerator. Denominator, multiply by whole number, add the numerator. So this is the same as, denominator here is 5. 5 times 2, we have 10. 10 plus 2, that's 12. So it is 12 over 5. Divide by. Here, what do you have? 5. 5 times 3, 15. 15 plus 3 here, that is 18 over 5. That's the first step. The second step, what do we do? Now, after solving this, after writing this one into improper fraction, the next step is very simple. We know that we are dividing by a fraction, and what did we say here? Dividing by a fraction is the same as multiplying by the reciprocal. So what are we getting the reciprocal? We are getting the reciprocal of the divisor. So what is our divisor here? 18 over 5. So we are going to say 12 over 5 times. After you have your multiplication, after changing division to multiplication, you have to change this one also. So it is 5 over 18. Are we getting that? Then we multiply. Numerator separately, that's 12 times 5 over 5 times 18. So 12 times 5, this is 60. 5 over 18 in your calculator, what do you have? That is now 90. So what do we say? 0 go with 0. That is now a way of cancelling. You cancel out. So here, what do you have? 6 over 9. Which number can divide 9 and 6? 3. 3 divide 9 how many times? 3 times. 3 divide 6, 2 times. So we have 2 over 3. So that's the answer of division. So multiply. Divide then multiply. If you multiply, it is that our answer, which is now 2 over 3 times 1 and 4 over 5. So what we need to understand, in division and multiplication, we have to ensure that the mixed numbers are written as improper fraction before dividing and multiplying. What have I said? The mixed numbers must be written as improper fraction before dividing and multiplying. So here we have now 2 over 3. Write this one in the improper fraction. This is now 5 times 1, that is 5 plus, that's now 9 out of 5. So multiplication is very easy. This is the same as multiply numerator separately and denominator separately. So this is now 2 times 9 over 3 times 5. 2 times 9, this is now 18. 3 times 5, what do you have? Multiplication table, that's the first lesson we did. So this is now 15. Which number can divide 18 and 15? 2 cannot. Start 3. 3 can divide 15, 3 can divide 18. So you say 3 divide 15, 5. 3 divide 18, 6. So it is 6 over 5. There's no number that can divide 6 and 5 apart from 1. So you just write this one as a mixed number. Remember, don't leave your answer as improper fraction. Ensure that you leave your answer as a mixed number. How many 5s can we get in 6? That's only 1. There's a remainder of 1 out of 5. So that is now combined operation for multiplication and division. Combined operation, multiplication and division. As simple as that. We are not going to struggle. We are going to ensure that maths is made as simple as possible. So in case you have anything you want us to look, any topic that you want us to do for you, you just type. Now, I want you to just do for me one as assignment, and only one assignment. Work out what do you have? 2 over 5 divided by 4 over 5 times 1 over 5. Then B, we have 2 over 3 times 4 over 5 divided by 8 over 15. 2 over 3 times 4 over 5 divided by, so this now divided by 8 over 15.